Okay, good morning students. I hope that all are good. Before class we have discussed about the integration by parts, means how to do the integration of the product of the two terms. You know the formula, that one. This is the formula. Yes. Which one is the first, which one is the second? By using, this is the alphabetical order. I late. I means you know, L means you know. Okay, very well. Now today class, what we do means I will explain the lot of problems on the integration by parts. Okay, now we are going to the first problem. Integral of x sin x. Okay, my dear students. Integral of x sin x dx. What happened this one? Here, what is the meaning of that one? What is that? X is the algebraic, sin x is the trigonometry. Algebraic trigonometry. Okay, both are order. First one, f of x is x, g of x is sin x. Okay, my dear students. Now I is equal. F of x is equal to x, g of x is equal to sin x. Now this is derivative. F of x 1, g dash of, sorry, not g dash of, integral of g of x, integral of sin x means minus cos x plus c. Don't write. Okay, no problem. Substitute f of x into g of x. Formula f of x into f of x means x into integral of g of x means minus cos x minus f dash of x, immediately 1 into integral of this one minus cos x dx. Okay, my dear students. Substitution is going on. Compulsory we write the formula. After that we will substitute. No problem at all. Okay. That equal minus x cos x, minus into minus plus integral of cos x means sin x plus c. Okay. Now next question. What the next question is going on? X log x is over. Now x log 2x. For suppose x into log 2x dx. X into log 2x. Logarithm algebraic. Logarithm is the first. Therefore this is f of x. This is g of x. Okay, my dear students. LA logarithmic first. After that this is g of x. Okay. I is equal to. You know the formula, integral of x log x means x power n log x dx. Write the formula, substitute n value 1. Here x log 2x is there. What happened? Observe that. F of x is equal to log 2x. G of x is equal to x. Okay, my dear students. Now f dash of x is equal to 1 by 2x. Again 2x derivative is 2. This is 2 to cancel. That is equal to 1 by x. Now integral of g of x dx. Integral of g of x dx means x square by 2. Now substitute f of x into log 2x into integral of, here this one into this one, x square by 2 minus this one into this one, 1 by x into x square by 2 dx. F dash of x into integral of this one into this one whole dx. This one cancel. X square by 2 into log 2x minus here 1 by 2 constant, remaining integral of x only, integral of x dx. Okay, x square by 2 log 2x minus 1 by 2 into integral of x means again x square by 2 plus c. That equal x square by 2 log 2x minus x square by 4 plus c. Now x square by 2 taken common out. What happened? Log 2x minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Same formula. Okay, no problem at all. X power n into log n x. Okay, no. What is the formula, that one? Okay. Okay, what the formula is going on means okay, integral of x log 2x. Okay, no problem. That is equal to what is the answer? X square by 2 log 2x minus x square by 4 plus c. What happened? X square by 2 taken common out. That is equal to log 2x minus 1 by 2 plus c. Okay, my dear students. Same formula will apply. No problem at all. Okay, next problem. Okay, my dear students, you see once the problems in this side. X sin inverse of x, x cos inverse of x, tan inverse of x, sin inverse x whole square, this one. Okay, I will explain one by one. Okay, my dear students. So first one you are going to x into sin inverse of x. I is equal to x into sine inverse of x dx. Okay, my dear students. Here this is inverse, this is algebraic. Inverse algebraic, inverse first highlight. This is f of x. What is f of x? F of x is equal to sine inverse of x. G of x is equal to x. Okay, I hope that you understood or not? Yes. Next, this derivative f dash of x, x. 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Okay, my dear students. Now here integral of g of x. What is the integration? That is x square by 2. I hope that you understood or not? Yes. Now that is equal to formula apply. Integral of f of x, this is f of x. Already completed, yeah? Now f of x into this one into this one minus integral of this one into this one. Okay? This one into this one. Directly write this one into this one. X square. You write the compulsory formula. Okay, you will mention the formula here, formula is there. Now multiplication of these two, after that integral of product of these two. Okay, now x square by 2 into sine inverse of x minus integral of product of these two, 1 by root over 1 minus x square into x square by 2 dx. Here x, I hope that understood or not? Yes, x square by 2 sine inverse of x, these values substitute in this formula. Sine inverse of x minus 1 by 2 into integral of x square by root over 1 minus x square dx. Now 100% I explained me substitution method. Here 1 minus x square is there. 1 minus x square means x is equal to, here a square minus x square means x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. Here a is 1 means x is equal to sin theta. Just put x is equal to sin theta. Whenever x is equal to sin theta, automatically cos theta is equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta. X value is sin theta, cos theta value root over 1 minus x square. Now dx, differential of x, dx is equal to cos theta d theta. Sin theta derivative, not integration here, cos theta d theta. Now substitute here. Now x square by 2 sin inverse of x minus 1 by 2. Here sin x square means sin square theta dx cos theta d theta by root over 1 minus x square means cos theta. Here cos theta cancel. Integral of sin square theta direct formula how? No. Sin square theta means 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, my dear students. X square by 2 sin inverse of x minus 1 by 2 into. Here sin square theta means 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, here 1 by 2, already 1 by 2 is there. Means x square by 2 sin inverse of x minus 1 by 4. Now integration we will do. 1 by 2 into 2, 1 by 2. Integral of 1 d theta means theta minus integral of cos theta means sin theta by 2. Here cos 2 theta means sin 2 theta by 2, not minus. Integral of cos theta means sin theta only. Okay, with respect to theta here. Integral of cos 2 theta means sin 2 theta derivative in 2, that is write the denominator. Okay, minus sin 2 theta by 2 plus c. Okay, my dear students, now that is equal to x square by 2 minus, x square by 2 into sin inverse of x minus 1 by 4 into theta minus, here sin 2 theta is there. Sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 cancel, just sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta plus c. But the answer in terms of x only. Now what is theta here? Theta is equal to sin inverse of x. Sin theta means x, cos theta means root over 1 minus x square. You substitute here. That is equal to x square by 2 sin inverse of x minus 1 by 4 into, what is theta? Sin inverse of x minus sin theta means x, cos theta means root over 1 minus x square plus c. Here that is the answer. Okay, perceivable simplification means this is sin inverse of x, this is sin inverse of x. Okay, no problem, you kill simplification. X square by 2 sin inverse of x minus 1 by 4 sin inverse of x plus x by 4 minus into minus plus x by 4 1 minus x square plus c. Here sin inverse x taken common out, or overall here sin inverse of x taken common out. What happened? Sin inverse of x by 2 taken common out, sin inverse of x by 2 taken common out. What happened? This is x square minus 1 by 2 plus x by 4 into root over 1 minus x square plus c. Okay, my dear student, this is substitution is going on. Simple. I hope that you understood or not. Now in this way we will complete the problems. Now what happened, for suppose x into cos inverse of x. For suppose here instead of sin inverse, next problem, x into cos inverse of x. What happened? Instead of you will write each and every one, instead of sin inverse x 100% you write the cos inverse of x. No doubt at all. Okay my dear students. Only sin inverse of x you write cos inverse of x. Okay. Here sin inverse, every sin inverse of x, instead of sin inverse of x you write the cos inverse. What happened? Okay, I will explain later. Okay. Here this is cos inverse of x. Simple. This is minus 1 by, remaining all same. Derivative of cos inverse of x is minus 1 by. Okay. Here cos inverse of x. This is minus. Okay. This is cos inverse of x. Minus into minus, my dear students, plus. This is cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of x plus. Here observe that. Here 100% x is equal to sin theta. Now here x square means sin square theta. Dx means cos theta d theta. Okay. What about sin square theta means? You know very well. 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Here cos inverse of x plus. Here cos inverse of x plus. Here cos inverse of x plus. Here theta means sin inverse of x only. X is equal to sin theta I will take. Okay. Here plus. Here cos inverse of x by 2. Okay. We will check once. If you have any mistake, we will check once. Okay. In this way, we will complete the problems. Okay, my dear students. Next, we are going to the x into tan inverse of x. Next, my dear students, x into tan inverse of x. Okay. I is equal to x into tan inverse of x dx. X into tan inverse of x. How to do? You know, f of x is equal to tan inverse of x. G of x is equal to x. Now derivative of the function. F dash of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Integral of g of x dx is equal to x square by 2. Now substitution. F of x into integral. F of x integral. This one into this one. That is equal to x square by 2 into tan inverse of x minus integral of f dash of x into this one. 1 by 1 plus x square into x square by 2 dx. Okay, my dear students. Now x square by 2 tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2 is constant. 1 by 2 x square by 1 plus x square dx. Numerator function x square, denominator function also x square, means equal powers, means that is improper fraction. 100% division is going on. X square is divisible by 1 plus x square. How many times x square means 1 time. Already I told the quotient is 100% 1. Now 1 into 1 1 plus x square, subtraction, minus minus, that is minus 1. Here f of x by g of x. What is the formula? F of x by g of x is equal to quotient plus remainder by g of x. Quotient is 1, remainder is minus 1 by this one. Okay. Now x square by 2 tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2 into integral of f of x by g of x is equal to quotient. Quotient means 1 plus remainder is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. This will be right as in this way. Okay. Next step, x square by 2 tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2 into integral of 1 dx means x minus integral of 1 by 1 plus x square means tan inverse of x plus c. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will complete the problems. Next, we are going to next problem. Okay, my dear students, going to the next problem. What is the next problem? Sin inverse of x whole square dx. Sin inverse of x whole square dx. Okay, my dear students. What happened this one? Here only one function. This is special function, means we will take the second function 100% 1. Okay. Let f of x is equal to sin inverse of x whole square. Now g of x is equal to 100% 1. Okay, my dear students. Now what happened? This is f dash of x is equal, first x square means 2 sin inverse of x into 1 by root over 1 minus x square. That is equal to 2 sin inverse of x by root over 1 minus x square. Any doubt? No doubt. I hope that. Here you know this one, g of x, integral of g of x dx is equal to 100% x. Now substitute. That is equal f of x into this one into this one, this one into this one, f of x into integral of g of x, this one, x into Sin inverse of x whole square minus derivative. What is the derivative? You know very well. F dash of x means this one 2 sin inverse of x by root over 1 minus x square into x dx. Okay, my dear students. Here x into sin inverse of x whole square minus 2 is the constant per suppose. Here 1 is the inverse function, remaining the algebraic function sin inverse of x. Here 2 also write, no problem. Okay, next step I will write sin inverse of x into, here 2 is there, write the 2x because f dash of x by f of x formula purpose. Okay, x by root over 1 minus x square dx. Now 1 derivative 0, minus x square derivative is minus 2x. Here minus 2 is there, split in this one. Here write the plus, minus 2 into x. Plus into minus, minus again we will get this one same way. Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to x into sin inverse of x whole square minus, plus, minus means that is the plus, minus this minus 2, here move to here, minus 2x. What is that one? Sin inverse of x, that is minus 2x by root over 1 minus x square dx. Now again the product of the function. This is f of x, this is ILAT, LAT. Yes, this is the first function, this is the second function. Here again this is first function, this is second function. Okay, my dear students. What happened here? This is f of x. Already f of x is there. Okay, f of x is sin inverse of x. This is the first function, this is the second function. What happened? Just generally we will go to the problem, that is equal to x into, directly write sin inverse of x whole square plus, here this is f of x, suppose this is f of x, this is g of x. What is the formula? F of x into, f of x means first function into integral of the second function. Integral of the second function means, observe that integral of this one. Integral of this one means f dash of x by root f of x. Okay, simply suppose what I am writing here, this integration I will do. Integral g of x dx is equal to integral of minus 2x by root over 1 minus x square dx. That equal 2 root of 1 minus x square. F dash of x by root f of x. Okay, remember this one. Easily we will do. Okay, my dear students. Okay. Now sin inverse of x into integral of second function means 2 into root over 1 minus x square minus integral of derivative of the first function. Derivative of the sin inverse of x derivative 1 by root of 1 minus x square into integration of the second function, that is 2 into root over 1 minus x square dx. Here root over cancel. What is the answer? X sin inverse of x whole square plus here 2 root over 1 minus x square into sin inverse of x minus integral of 2 dx means 2x plus c. I hope that you understood or not. F of x into g of x. Why this one right here? F dash compulsory second function, inverse means second function, algebraic function means second function, 100% integration. Integration means f dash of x by root f of x. That's why compulsory we will form in the formula type. We will make in the formula type 100%. Okay, my dear students. Next question. Okay, my dear students. See that problem. Integral of x cos inverse of x by root over 1 minus x square. Here same inverse is there, algebraic is there. What is the inverse? Cos inverse of x. What is the algebraic? X by. Okay, this is f of x, that is 100% g of x. Now f of x is equal to cos inverse of x. G of x is equal to x by root over 1 minus x square. What happened? This is derivative. Cos inverse of x derivative is minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x. What is the integral of this one? Before I saw integral of x by 1 minus x square dx. F dash of x by f of, root f of x. 1 derivative is 0, minus x square derivative is minus 2x. Minus 2 is missing. That's why I am right. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 2x by root over 1 minus x square. Now minus 1 by 2 into 2 root of 1 minus x square. f dash of x by root f of x, 2 root f of x. This 2 cancel. That is answer is minus root over 1 minus x square. What is the integral of the second function means this one. Okay, my dear students. Now substitute each and every one. What happened? Only one function is left. Now this is the working rule completed. Now formula integral f of x into g of x. What happened, my dear students? That is equal to first f of x into, what is f of x? Cos inverse of x into integral of g of x means minus, okay, minus root over 1 minus x square minus f dash of x, this one minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square into integral of g of x. Integral of g of x means this is minus root over 1 minus x square dx. This one cancel. This is equal to minus of root over 1 minus x square into cos inverse of x, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus again. Integral of 1 dx means x minus root over 1 minus x square into cos inverse of x minus x plus. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will complete the problems. Simple first integration here. Simply, we will do the integration. After that, just substitute all the values in the formula. We will get the answers. Next, last one is going on x square plus 1 into log x. What happened that one? X square plus 1 into log x square plus 1 is the algebraic. Log x is the trigonometry. AL, LA, okay, AT. Okay. First is algebraic, after that T is the trigonometry. What is about this? I is equal to integral of x square plus 1 into log x dx. This is f of x, 100%, this is g of x. Algebraic, logarithms, not this one. Sorry, this is logarithms, not trigonometry function. Logarithm is the first, algebraic is second. This is f of x, this is g of x. Okay, my dear students. Now f of x is equal to what happened? F of x is equal to x, g of x is equal to what happened? X square plus 1. Okay. Now derivative of this one, f dash of x is equal to 1 by x, integral of this one, x square derivative integration x cube by 3 plus 1 derivative x. Okay, my dear students. Now formula directly apply. F of x into this one means x cube by 3 plus x into log x. F of x into integral of this one minus f dash of x integral of this one means 1 by x into x cube by 3 plus x dx. Here x cube by 3 plus x log x minus, here taken common x, x cancel. What happened? X square by 3 plus 1 dx. Here taken common x cancel. Now this is same minus integral of x square, x cube by 3, already 3 is there, x square by x cube by 9 plus x plus c. This is okay, x cube by 3 plus x into log x. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will complete the problems. Okay, next we are going to the next problem. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem by substitution, integration by parts by substitution method. You know that before not integration, before we calculate this all problems in differentiation substitution method, in in differentiation already those problems we were completed. Yeah, what is the substitution? Tell me. Here sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, this type. What the substitution is going on? You know very well. Now all this one, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, sin 2 theta, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, cos 2 theta, 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, tan 2 theta. Here all these problems must and should the substitution is going on x is equal to tan theta only. Okay, my dear students. Otherwise, remember this formula. All these are equal to 2 tan inverse of x. Sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square or cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, those all three are equal to 2 tan inverse of x. The formula for 2 tan inverse of x. Okay, my dear students. Okay, now take first one, that is equal to, just I am explaining only, all equal to 2 tan inverse of x, 2 tan inverse of x, 2 tan inverse of x. Means integration is same or not? Yes. Say yes or no. What happened this one? Integral of, suppose, sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Here I is equal to integral of cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Now I is equal to integral of tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Now 3 problems you have to substitute x is equal to tan theta. Put x is equal to tan each and every one. Okay. Now theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Okay. Dx is equal to how much? Okay. After that we will do here theta is equal to tan inverse of x. After that dx or whatever may be. Substitute first. Okay, my dear students. What happened this one? Dx is equal to secant square theta d theta. Secant square theta. Okay, no problem at all. This is equal to, I am not changing into the total in terms of theta, just only x is available, no problem. That is equal to what happened? Sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, first calculation of this one only. Okay, sin inverse of what happened this one, not integration. Okay, you will take this one value only, this value. Okay, whenever you substitute means dx also compulsory differential. Okay, now substitute what happened this one, just not integration, 2x by 1 plus x square value, that equals sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, means sin 2 theta, that equals sin inverse sin cancel, that is 2 theta, 2 into that is equal to tan inverse of x. Theta means 100% tan inverse of x. Okay, my dear students, in this way also cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. What happened this one? That is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. That is cos 2 theta. That equal 2 theta. That equal 2 tan inverse of x. Okay, my dear students. Next, this is tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. That equal tan inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, means tan 2 theta. Tan inverse tan cancel, that is 2 theta. That equal 2 into tan inverse of x. That's why I am telling you, each and every one, this one, this value, each and every one is equal to 2 tan inverse of x. Now I will do the one integration, after that we will complete the remaining 2. Same, no problem at all. Okay, my dear students, now that is equal, I is equal to, what is the value of this one means this one, 2 tan inverse of x. This is special function. Whenever tan inverse of x, you will take 1. Already I completed this one. Okay, 2 tan inverse of x. This is tan inverse of x into 1 dx. Directly you write f of x into g of x. You know the derivative of this one, you know the integration of this one. First 2 into, first write the f of x means tan inverse of x, integral of 1 means x, minus derivative of this one means 1 by 1 plus x square, here x dx. Okay, my dear students. Next step, 2 into x tan inverse of x minus f dash of x by f of x. 1 derivative is 0, x square derivative 2x, 2 missing, 1 by 2 into 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, plus c. Now what happened? That is equal 2 into x tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2 into f dash of x by f of x, log mod f of x, log mod 1 plus x square plus c. Okay, now multiplying with the 2, what happened? That equal 2x tan inverse of x minus 2 cancel, log mod 1 plus x square plus c. This answer is this one, this answer is also same this one, this answer also same this one. Because why? Because means all are equal to tan inverse of x. Continue, after continuation same, this one 2 tan, this function have same answer, this function have the same answer. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will complete the problems. Next we are going to the another problem. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem, that is e power ax into sin bx dx. E power ax into sin bx dx. This is very important one. E power ax into sin bx dx, other one is e power ax into cos bx dx. Okay, my dear students. Now here this is exponential, this is the trigonometry. Exponential, trigonometry. Exponential is the last one, trigonometry is the first one. Okay. Now we are going to, you know, the exponential. This is the f of x, this is g of x. Okay, my dear students. This is what is the derivative of this one, sin bx derivative b sin b cos bx. e power ax integration e power ax by a. You know very well. Now this function is sine. Trigonometry is the function f of x. This is f of x. This is g of x. You know very well. What is the derivative of f of x? Sin bx derivative b cos bx. What is the integral of e power x? E power ax by a. Okay, don't write. Okay, write down the formula. That is equal to f of x into g of x means first f of x into means sin bx into. Write down the integral of this one directly. E power ax by a minus integral of derivative of this one. F of x derivative means sin bx derivative b cos bx into again e power ax integration e power ax by a dx. Don't confuse. This is I is equal to, okay? This is equation number 1, no problem at all. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. This is equal to e power ax by a into sin bx minus here b by a integral of cos bx into e power ax dx. Again product. Again this is f of x, this is g of x. What is the derivative of function f of x means minus b sin bx, e power ax means e power x by integration. Okay, this is again f of x, this is g of x. Now same write down e power ax by a into sin bx minus b by a into, now bracket begin. Why? Because means again in front of minus is there. Integral of f of x into g of x. What is the formula here? F of x. F of x means cos bx. Second integration e power ax by a minus integral derivative of this one. What is the derivative of cos x means? Minus sin x means minus b sin bx. Integration of this one. Again e power ax by a dx. Okay, my dear students. Here. Now e power ax by a into sin bx minus b by a in front of is there, we multiply with b by a. B by a into a, b by a square, e power ax cos bx. Here in front of minus is there, this minus into minus plus, already in front of minus is there, minus. Here b by a is there, here b by a, b square by a square, integral of sin bx into e power ax dx. Observe that this total value what happened? Integral of sin bx into e power ax dx, that is nothing but the I. Okay. Now this is I is equal to, here observe that these two terms, here what is going on? E power ax, here e power ax. E power ax by a, e power ax by a. Okay. Now here taken the common, e power ax by a taken common out. Here I is equal to e power common out. What happened? E power ax by a taken common out means what happened? Sin bx minus b by a cos bx. This minus I, here minus b square by a square into I. Minus total minus I this side. Okay, my dear students, I plus b square by a square into I is equal to e power ax by a. Here LCM is 100% a sin bx minus b cos bx. Okay. Now here taken common is I, 1 plus b square by a square is equal to here a into a square, e power ax by a square, a sin bx minus b cos bx. Okay, my dear students, what happened here? 100% taken LCM, a square plus b square, I into a square plus b square by a square is equal to e power ax by a square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. Okay, now here a square cancel. Here into means by, I is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. Okay, what is I? Therefore I is equal to Remember the formula? This is very, very important formula. What is I? I means, you remember this formula? What the formula is going on? I is equal to, means, I is equal means integral of e power ax into sin bx dx is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx, again a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. Okay, my dear students. Perhaps in the examination point of view, e power x into sin x dx. First 100% you remember this formula. For competitive exam also very, very important. E power x into sin x dx. Here e power ax, a value 1, sin bx, b value 1, a value 1, b value 1. Substitute e power x by 1 square plus 1 square means 2. A sin bx means sin x minus cos x plus c. Okay, my dear students. Similarly, we will find the, what is the formula of that one? E power ax into cos bx dx. That equal to same formula, e power ax by a square plus b square into here a cos bx, in between plus a cos bx plus b sin bx, a cos bx plus b sin bx. Okay, my dear students, plus c. You remember this formula also. In this way, we will complete the problems. Next, we are going to next one. Okay, my dear students, we are going to another problem or another model. Okay, some special case, no problem at all. Listen, very, very important one. Integral of the type. I hope that you understood the by parts. Any doubt? Practice. Main here important thing is we will practice thoroughly. Otherwise, we cannot do the problems. Practice, 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 and remember the formulas. Okay, my dear students. Whenever I explain, those problems are very easy. Whenever we will take the pen and paper, you will take the pen and paper, you feel very difficult. Okay, that's why first practice, first listen, after that we will practice, after that we will get the good marks in the exam. Okay, my dear students. Now, integral of the type. Very, very important, my dear students. Objective purpose, very, very important. Integral of a function. Integral of the type. I is equal to integral of, observe that, what happened, integral of exponential function must ensure e power x into f of x. Here function is f of x, in between plus is there, immediately f dash of x dx. Integral of e power x into f of x. Here f of x is trigonometry or algebraic, whatever may be. Not an, I think, exponential. Okay, e power x into f of x, immediately f dash of x. What is the answer is going on? I will explain. Okay, no problem at all. What is the answer? E power x into f of x. First, suppose observe that e power x into 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx. Here f 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. This type of answers. First, suppose e power x into sin x plus cos x. Observe that sin x derivative cos x. First, suppose e power x into tan x plus secant square x dx. Okay, my dear students. Tan x derivative secant square x. Now e power x into log x plus 1 by x dx. Okay, my dear students. Understood or not? Yes. This type of question. What is the answers? One word answers. Substitute. Oh, very, very easy problems all are. Just observe that. What is the answer is going on. Now, here e power x, observe that here e power x into f of x plus here integral of e power x into f dash of x. Here two functions are there. This is 100% f of x, exponentially is last, whatever may be. This is f of x 100%, inverse, trigonometry, whatever may be this one. E means exponential is last. This is g of x. This is f of x, this is g of x. Integral of g of x means you know that. What is the formula? F of x into g of x means f of x into integral of e power x means e power x minus integral of f of x derivative f dash of x into integral of e power x is e power x dx. Okay, my dear friends. We will find the by parts method. Plus remaining is e power x into f dash of x dx. Here this one cancel. What about this? F of x into e power x. Last we write the plus c. What is the answer? That is equal e power x into f of x plus c. Therefore, that is integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. E power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power x into f of x. Here f of x plus f dash of x is there. Write the just f of x into e power x. Okay. Here this is f of x. This is f dash of x. What happened answer? E power x into 1 by x plus c. Here this is f of x. This is f dash of x. Sin x derivative cos x. E power x sin x. Here tan x derivative secant x. E power x tan x plus c. Here log x derivative 1 by x, that is e power x into log x plus c. Very simple, my dear students. Observe that. How that? For suppose integral of e power x into tan inverse of x plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Here tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square means answer is e power x into tan inverse of x plus c. Simple. Okay. What is the formula of this one? E power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to formula e power x into f of x plus c. Okay. Next, we are going to some more problems. Okay, my dear students, observe the problems on the board one by one. First one is e power x into x by 1 plus x square. Okay. How to do that one? What is that one? Denominator is 1 plus x is there, 100%. Numerator also we will try. Okay. What is I? Okay, my dear, these all are very, very important problems, my dear students. Okay, each and every one. Do carefully. Okay. Before problems, I already given the examples. Those examples are directly we find f of x and f dash of x. But here some calculation. After that, after the some calculation, which one is the f of x, which one is the f dash of x, we will find easily. Directly we cannot find. Okay. Now here first one is I is equal to e power x into x by 1 plus x whole square dx. Whenever e power x is there, algebraic functions or trigonometric functions are there, your mind must and should what is the formula is going on. Other formula, integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x is equal must and should, that is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. You remember this formula. Okay. Now here denominator is 100%. For suppose 1 plus x is there. That's why 100% in the numerator also our goal is 1 plus x. Okay. Now what I am doing? E power x into here adding 1 and subtracting 1. What happened? 1 plus x minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. No problem at all. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, again we get this one. Now 1 plus x, 1 plus separation, 1 plus x by this one. E power x into 1 plus x by 1 plus x whole square minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Okay, my dear students, here 1 plus x cancel. E power x into 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Observe that which one is the f of x, which possible this is 1 by x. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square. This is f of x. This is f dash of x. What happened? What is the answer? E power x into f of x means 1 by 1 plus x plus c. Okay, my dear students, we complete in this way. Next problem, we are going to next problem. What is the next problem, my dear students? Please read the next problem. E2 into I is equal to e power x into x minus 3 by x minus 1 whole cube dx. Okay, before I explain, denominator is x minus 1 is there, 100% in the numerator also x minus 1. Cancellation purpose, separation and cancellation purpose. E power x into x minus 3 write as x minus 1 minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube. Okay. Now e power x into separation x minus 1 by x minus 1 whole cube minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube, x minus 1 whole cube square, e power x by 1 by x minus 1 whole square minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube. Here 1 by x square. What is the derivative? Here observe that only derivative. 1 by x square derivative. What is the derivative of 1 by x square? Minus 2 by x cube. That's why this is f of x. 100% this is f dash of x. That equal e power x plus c. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will complete the problems one by one. Okay. Now we are going to the next problem. What is the next problem? E power x into. First I explain the fourth one. After that we will go to the third and fifth. Fourth one same in the way. Integral of e power x into x square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Here observe that denominator is x plus 1 is there. Numerator is x square plus 1 is there. Possible or not? Not possible. Must and should. Here x plus 1 means numerator also we will try. That is also x plus 1. How to do? E power x into. What I am doing? X square minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 how much? Plus 1 only by x plus 1 whole square dx. Separation. E power x into x square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square. This is a square minus b square. X minus 1 into x plus 1. 1 x plus 1 cancel. A square minus b square formula. X minus 1 into x plus 1. 1 x plus 1 cancel means x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square dx. 100% this derivative is this one. For suppose this is 1 by x square. What is the derivative of 1 by x square? Minus 2 by x. This derivative not this one. This derivative 100% this one. X minus 1 by x plus 1. Observe that derivative of x minus 1 by x plus 1. U by v method. X plus 1 into 1 minus x minus 1 into 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Here plus x minus x cancel. 1 minus into minus plus 2 by, yeah, this is f of x, this is f dash of x. Okay, my dear student, that is called e power x into x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. In this way, we will complete the problems. Next problem is there. What is the next problem? I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Next one, what is that one? I is equal to integral of e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. Apply the formulas. E power x into 1 plus sin x means 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 by 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, my dear students. Now that is equal to e power x into separation. 1 by 2 cos square x by 2 means 1 by 2 cos square means secant square x by 2 plus this one by this one means 2 cancel, cos cancel, sin by cos means tan x by 2. Here tan x derivative secant square x, again x by 2 derivative 1 by 2. This is f of x, this is f dash of x. What is the answer? E power x into tan x by 2 plus c. Okay, my dear students. Next problem. What is the next problem here on the board? See once. What is the next problem, my dear students? Fifth question. I is equal to integral of log x plus 1 by log x whole. This is CBSE 2015 question. Log x plus 1 by log x whole square dx. How to do log x plus 1 by log x? This is different, huh? Means here no exponential functions e power x no. That's why what I am doing means, for suppose log x is equal to t. Logarithm means 100% here base e. Log x is equal to t. What happened? Log x is equal to t means 100%. X is equal to how much? X is equal to e power t. Here let log x is equal to log x base e. Log x base e is equal to t. Here 100% x logarithm will be converted into the exponential. It will be x is equal to e power t, means dx is equal to e power t dt. Substitute each and every one. What happened? Integral of, this is 100% log t plus here 1 by t square dx means e power t dt. Yeah, here e power t f of x plus f dash log t derivative. Okay, log t derivative 1 by t only, but here 1 by t square is there, means adding 1 by t, subtracting 1 by t. What happened? E power t into log t plus adding 1 by t, subtracting 1 by t, last one is 1 by t square dt. I hope that you understood or not. Okay, this is separation, e power t into, here observe that e power t in first one log t plus 1 by t multiplication minus dt minus, here taken common minus 1 by t minus 1 by t square, in front of e power t is there, e power t into 1 by t minus 1 by t square dt. Now what about this answer? This derivative, this one, this derivative, this one. What about this one? E power t into log t minus e power t into 1 by t plus c. Totally common e power t. E power t means log t minus 1 by t plus c. Okay. What about e power t? What about log t? Write down the answer. What about e power t? E power t means that equal to x log t log of t value log x base e minus 1 by t 1 by log x base e plus. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will complete the problems. I hope that you understood the all problems. Okay, tomorrow we discuss some more models. Thank you, one and all.